everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is the travel edit from Lookfantastic. This was released about a week or two ago. It's still available on their website. It contains 10 beauty products, all under 100 mils, so perfect for travel. It has a value of £105 and it can be bought for £30. If you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then you'll be able to get a discount at checkout. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Funny enough, this box I ordered myself. Every lost it. Well, tracking said damaged beyond repair. Got back in touch with Lookfantastic. This went on for a couple of days, so I thought, oh, do you know what? I'm going to leave it because I've had a few parcels recently go missing, including another big parcel from Lookfantastic that I'm expecting. So anyway, I thought, no, I'll leave it. I can't be bothered now. And this arrived in the post. So Lookfantastic sent it to me. So I didn't have a clue. So thank you to Lookfantastic for sending it out to me. So starting off then, we have got two products that I really like. I am hit or miss with Kingsley. Some products I love, some I don't. These two I really, really like. It's a shampoo and conditioner duo and it's bodybuilding. It volumizes and lifts fine hair. There's 75 mils here. It's a really, really good shampoo and conditioner. Then we've got a shower oil that is in this month's Lookfantastic beauty box, and this is L'Occitane, and it's a shower oil that turns into like foam, and it's Almond. I hope I'm saying that right. I think so. I don't think anyone's corrected me on that. I'm not that keen on shower oils. Well, it depends which they are. I just don't like the anticipation of slipping on my arse and breaking my legs or anything else on my body. This one's a nice one and the smell is really nice as well. Yeah, so you got a little, did I say how big it was? No, I don't think I did. 35 mils. Next we've got Avene. This is a thermal spring water. It's a spray for sensitive skin. It soothes, rebalances and reduces irritation, and there's 50 mils here. This is really nice for cooling as well. But great if you've been sat out in the sun all day, or if you're like me and you don't sit out in the sun all day, if you go travelling. You're walking around, getting boiling hot. This is so nice. Why am I smelling? It doesn't smell of anything. These type of sprays are just really nice, just for a freshen up and like obviously for cooling down your skin as well. So yeah, we got a 50 ml one there. I think I've already said that to you, haven't I? Never mind. Then we've got Henriksen, and this is Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturiser. Vegan peptides, ceramides and collagen, and there's 7 mils. So this sort of box then would be good for like a weekend away somewhere, or a long weekend away. Just thinking size of like the moisturiser here. This is a really nice moisturiser as well. Henriksen is a really nice brand. So there's that, we've got moisturiser. And we've got, Biossance. We haven't had that in a beauty box for a while, the brand. This is squalene and Amino Aloe Gentle Cleanser. Amino acid complex and aloe deeply cleanse without over drying. There's 50 mils there. Powerful amino acid complex breaks down and dissolves makeup, while gentle aloe vera, leaf juice and sugarcane derived squalene calms and hydrates. I've tried a few products from this brand. Facial sprays, moisturisers, serums. It's a really nice brand. I've only tried little samples, although saying that, this is a pretty decent size, isn't it? I know it's a smaller one, 50 mils, but yeah, no, that's a nice size. I don't think that would be a sample, would it? Maybe you can buy it like a mini size. But yeah, I would like to see more of this brand in beauty boxes. Then we got a scent. We have got a fragrance spray. This is Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62, pistachio and salted caramel, and the spray perfume. And there's 30 mils. We normally get the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, but it's nice to have a fragrance, a nice smelling fragrance. And we need an SPF. This is La Roche-Posay, and this is a Anthelios 400 50+ ultra long UVA filter, very water and sweat resistant, anti-eye stinging, and there's 15 mils there. I've had no issues with their SPFs, so this is a handy one to have. Ooh, why is it going blurry? And I just love that it's factor 50 as well. And then we have got Zelens 3T Complex Anti-Aging Cream. And there's no information about that. Is that? No, that's not the last item in the box. No, we got something else as well. I'll have a look online to see what it says about that. This size is worth £36. It says, take your skin to new heights with a potent blend of botanicals, herbal oils and algae extracts. Use AM and PM, apply to the face and neck for maximum benefit. So it's another moisturiser. And then, lastly, we've got a really teeny tiny serum. I've just had a coughing fit. Oh my gosh. We've got Serum by Perricone MD, Hyaluronic Intensive Hydrating Serum, and the 7.5 mils there. Dermatologists recommend and VK approved use AM and PM to face and neck after cleansing to reveal ultra hydrated and plumped perfect skin. And this is worth £13. And there you go, those are all the products in the new Lookfantastic Travel Edit. You've got 2 little mini moisturisers there. You've got a serum. You've got a facial spray. You've got a shampoo and conditioner. You've got a fragrance spray. An SPF 50. A shower oil. And lastly, a facial cleanser. So 10 products in total. Has a value of £105, I think it was. And it can be bought for £30. I'd love to know what you think. I'm trying to think what else could there be in there. Instead of the 2 moisturisers, what else could they have put in there, like travel friendly? My mind has gone blank. I can't think now. Yeah, I can't think. I don't know. What do you think? But yeah, I think it's a handy little box, but I'd love to hear what you think. So please let me know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.